If you're a coder, there's a question you can't ignore. Is programming still a safe career? Or is AI about to eat your job? Tools like GitHub Copilot and GPT-4 are writing code, solving bugs, and even building full apps. Some developers are shipping faster than ever. Others are wondering if they'll even have a job next year. Let's dive into what's really happening, and what coders need to do to stay ahead. GitHub Copilot, built on OpenAI Codex, is like autocomplete on steroids. It suggests code in real time as you type, whether you're in Python, JavaScript, or C++. GPT-4 can take plain English prompts and generate working HTML, CSS pages, SQL queries, or even React components. There are developers building MVPs for SaaS products with GPT as their copilot, and doing it in days, not months. Some tools like Code Whisperer, Amazon, and Tabnine are pushing this even further with AI integration and testing support. Bottom line, AI can now write, refactor, and debug simple to moderately complex code. So, what kinds of coding jobs are most at risk? Junior roles are taking the first hit. AI can now handle repetitive tasks like CRUD operations, writing tests, and formatting code. Freelancers building landing pages or Shopify stores with code, many of those clients are now turning to GPT-based tools or DIY platforms. Customer support devs maintaining internal scripts are seeing automation tools replace manual tasks. It's not a total wipeout, but companies are starting to expect more output per dev. One senior dev can now do the work of 2 or 3, thanks to AI Assist. That's great if you're skilled, but dangerous if you're not adapting. The job of a developer isn't disappearing, it's transforming. Instead of writing every line by hand, developers now need to write effective prompts to guide AI, validate and debug AI output, focus on architecture, integration, and strategy. In other words, you're not the coder. You're the conductor. You tell the AI what to do, and you judge whether it's doing it well. It's less about memorizing syntax, and more about knowing what to build. Coding bootcamps and universities are already shifting their curriculum. Some are teaching students how to use Copilot to boost productivity, craft GPT prompts for code generation, build apps by combining APIs, no-code tools, and GPT. Think about that, students are learning how to work with AI, not how to outcode it. The smartest programs are now teaching things like systems thinking, product design, and AI collaboration. In the future, learning to code without learning to use AI will feel like learning photography without ever using a digital camera. Here's how different types of devs are being impacted. Front-end devs, AI can help with layouts and component libraries, but real UX design still needs human touch. Back-end devs, GPT is getting better at APIs and logic, but struggles with security, edge cases, and infrastructure. Full-stack devs, best position. Why? Because they can quickly adapt to any tool or shift. The most at-risk coders are those doing isolated, repeatable tasks. The safest? Those who combine AI fluency with system-level thinking. Big tech is adapting fast. Shopify uses Copilot to speed up shipping across teams. Google DeepMind is building AlphaCode 2 to outperform 50% of coders. Startups are reducing engineering headcount while increasing output. And some devs are worried, with reason. But others are becoming 10x developers with AI as their sidekick. The question isn't whether AI will change your job. It already has. The real question is, are you evolving with it? So, is programming still a safe job? Yes, if you're willing to evolve. AI is not here to replace smart coders. It's here to amplify them. If you're learning to code, learn AI tools as part of your stack, focus on building real projects, stay creative, curious, and adaptable. And if you're already a dev, this is your moment to level up, or get left behind. Drop a comment, is AI making you more productive, or more nervous? And don't forget to subscribe, because at Technova, we decode the future of work, 3 times per week.